Close enough.
Okay.
Flown around the world a million times and seen a lot of places and faces, but I'm always back to you. Money on my mind's not anything, ladies by my side each and every day, but I'm always back to you. I'll give you that. I'll give
Seriously,
you that.
thank you so
welcome.
much. Hello, my dear subscribers, followers. I really appreciate for those who have already subscribed to our YouTube channel. And I'm calling upon those who haven't yet subscribed. Please do go ahead and do subscribe and do ring the bell so that whenever I put something new, you'll be joining us there. And then, guess what, my friends? I'm with my longtime friend. Indeed, we've been together as friends for a couple of years. Is it true? Oh, I'm telling lies. Okay, so I'm so happy meeting him today. Yeah, he's just at home free in his free time. So he's a very good artist. Should I say an artist or a musician?
That's fine. Anything's okay.
And on the other hand is a Muganda. He does Muganda very audio.
So Kiria?
Yeah.
Kiria Jendi? Jendi nyabo?
Okay.
Ogambachi, listed.
So you see, yeah. So he's going to introduce himself to you. I mean, yeah, he's going to introduce himself to you, and then later we're going to know a few about him. Yeah, that is it.
Sure.
Yeah.
My name's Daniel Aranda. Amanya Gangan said Daniel Aranda?
Yeah, that's
good.
Amanya Gang, yeah.
I remember a little bit more. That's good. Yeah, I'm from Sydney, Australia. We're currently based here, happy living in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates. I'm a musician, play a couple instruments, I sing a little bit, do a few things between music and film, and yeah, very happy to be here today.
So you do the filming and as well the music.
That's
so
right, yeah.
Another thing, so you're multiple talented, if I can say.
I like to keep busy.
I see you speaking some Luganda.
Oh, not very well.
Could you please get to know where you got it from?
Yeah, I've been to Uganda quite a few times before. We've done a few concerts with people like performed before with Maurice Curia, Bruno K, a few great Ugandan artists, and we've done a lot of charity work as well in Katanga a lot, and in the Mukono district as well. So we've done a fair bit of work there. So I remember a few words that some of the musees and judges told me. But all the times I hurt you so, and all the times I let you go. I know you don't like playing, baby, but I'm a lot of hoping lately.
So my friends, we're going ahead. Yeah, by the way, thank you for being in this person, for creating us time. I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
So can you please briefly talk about Ugandan music?
Yeah, it's got a great music industry, very alive, some great artists. I have many friends there that work in the music industry. I mentioned Maurice Curia was the first person I played with in Uganda. I have Martha Mukiza, who's...
Martha Mukiza? You said Martha Mukiza?
Yeah, I know her quite well.
Do you have any collaboration with her?
She was with me on the last charity initiative that we did in Katanga, but we haven't done a song yet together, so hopefully soon. We did some demos, but nothing, we never really finished anything. The last song I did was with Daddy Andre. It's called Mama Africa. That's the audio's out. That was a good one.
It was a very nice song.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I remember very well. Now, do you know any song from a Ugandan artist that you can really serve us right now?
Sometimes I do the Bebe Cool one, the Love You Every Day. Sometimes we do that in concert, so I know that one. But if you ask me to sing Luganda, I'm going to destroy the language, so you don't want to...
Okay, try for us this one for Bebe Cool, please. I humbly do request.
Flown around the world a million times and seen a lot of places.
Excuse me, please. Can you do it with a guitar? I'm so sorry.
Okay, all right. We'll see if I didn't tune it. Okay, that's why I was hoping you wouldn't ask, but. Close enough.
Okay.
Flown around the world a million times and seen a lot of places. places and faces, but I'm always back to you. Money on my mind's not anything, ladies by my side each and every day, but I'm always back to you. I'll give you that. I'll give
Seriously,
you that.
thank you so much. It is so amazing, so amazing. So right now, can you please discuss for us at least the experience that you're having here in UAE? How is UAE treating you?
Yeah, it's good. It's convenient. It's very close to everything. It's close to Africa. It's close to Europe. Close to Asia. My home country of Australia is not very close to anything, unfortunately, so it makes things a little bit difficult with touring. So this is a very convenient place, and it's good. You've been living here for some time as well?
Yeah, it's like 1 year and a half.
That's good.
Yeah. Okay, apart from singing and as well acting, what else do you do here?
Yeah, so I work a little bit with film-related things and movies and that sort of stuff, and this month and next month we are working on our first feature film, whole movie. We're shooting a little bit here in Dubai and the UAE, and the rest in Greece, in Europe. So that'll be good. I'm looking forward to it. Should be a nice movie.
So is there any movie that is ready for us to watch?
Not at the moment, but this one will be ready in a few months, I think.
In a few months. So are you already in the field already?
Yeah. So we've done some stuff that we need to do. We have a little bit more filming to do in Dubai next week and the week after. And the other 80% of the movie will be shot in Europe, in Greece. So still a bit of work to do.
So how many artists did you meet so far? Or have you met so far in
From Uganda?
Yeah.
Quite a few, a lot actually. I've been a couple of times to ASFA's. They're in Kampala, the Tuma Awards and things like that. So you get to meet people, and
I always hear saying about Shiba Karun. Is she your friend?
Shiba's cool. She's cool. I remember with Shiba. She probably won't remember, but the first time I met her was at ASFA's 2018 or 19. I can't remember.
2018, 2019.
Something around that period. And I remember she was sitting on my table. And I think maybe I was trying to look cool, and I took a glass of water, and it completely missed my mouth, and the water just went there, and so I had to kind of quickly try to look cool. So I still don't know if she saw me drop a whole glass of water all over me, but I have another time to love you, yeah. So baby, take it easy and just forget. Inshallah, she didn't see it.
She just kept quiet.
I hope not. But she's cool. She's got good songs.
Yeah, that's it. How is it that you haven't done many songs many collaborations with Ugandan artists? That you've been
I think a lot of it's
many of them.
I think a lot of it probably has to do with time. A lot of my trips to Uganda have not been as long as I would like them to be, and we're doing a lot of things with the charity stuff and TV here, radio there, and all this stuff. So we've done some collaborations, like I mentioned, the Mama Africa with Bruno K and Daddy Andre.
So it's the only song as well?
That one, I think I did a cover of Love Yourself by Justin Bieber with Bruno.
Yeah.
We did that a few years ago. But I'd like to do something in the future. Maybe with Lydia Jasmine, actually. She's good.
Oh, even Lydia Jasmine.
She's cool.
Seriously. What about Rema?
Yeah, Rema's good.
You know her.
Rema's great. What else is there? We've got Wina Nwaji.
Yeah.
I played with on New Year's Eve as well a few years ago. She's great. Yeah, a lot of good talent.
The majority. Yeah. And if I may ask, who is your best artist in Uganda?
The best artist in Uganda?
It's a deep breath, sir.
Oh, that's a big one. From the male, from the guys, I respect Maurice Curie a lot. He's very multi-talented. He writes, sings, does a bit of production, he plays instruments and very well. And he's a very multi-talented guy. He's good. Bruno K is always fun to record with. It's not boring with him, so he keeps me entertained, and so I like him too. From the female side, you know, like I said, Lydia's great, Lydia Jasmine, and Martha Mukiza, who is still rising and rising and rising. She's got a good voice. And I knew her before she got super famous, so that's good.
Okay, now if you are to do a collaboration with a lady, whom do you think you can do? Which will be first?
Anybody, I think it can suit. Can be anybody. There's too much talent there for me to talk about. It could be anybody.
Okay. So do you have songs on your own?
Oh yeah, I got a few solo songs. One of my recent singles I put out is called Stand With You, which features the Ugandan flag actually in it. So if you watch the video, you'll try and look for the Ugandan flag.
Okay. Which style of music do you do?
Pop, kind of pop sometimes, a little bit rock sometimes, but pop.
Okay. Now, okay, when you do music, like, what comes into your mind, or what is what are you chasing? Is it money or something else? When you're doing music?
Why I do what I do?
Like as you're doing music, like, are you after something? Like maybe you're chasing money, that's why you're doing music, or there's something else?
Yeah, look, I mean, I do it because I think I'm kind of good at it, so it's good to do something that you know how to do. So I've always loved music. Been playing guitar since I was maybe 12 or 13, singing as well. So I've just always done it, always loved it, and I'm very happy to share some positive energy and some good vibes for people. So I hope that it spreads a positive message, and I think that music is good, but what you can do with music is quite powerful.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. Daniel.
Daniel.
Katonda kuwa mukisa.
It's been a pleasure. Amina, that's the one.
So, my dear followers, our dear friends, really thank you for following us. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for subscribing on our YouTube channel. Really, we appreciate. Wiki is on the camera. So I'm really so happy meeting my best friend today. And I would like to know, because I'm seeing 3 guitars.
Okay.
So is it that each is with a different purpose? Or
yeah, well, this is kind of...
now, what's the difference between this and this one?
Well, these strings are plastic. These strings are steel,
this one here,
metal, and this one is the bass.
Okay, this one is the bass. That's why it is very heavy.
Yeah.
How do you play it on the stage when it is heavy like this?
Yeah, it's kind of a little bit... yeah, it is a bit heavy, but... anyway, so it's quite boring actually when it's on its own. But yeah. So.
And what's the purpose of this one here?
Yeah. This one, I don't know if I...
Okay, great. So, you know, there are so many youths outside there who are really talented very well, but at times they're afraid of coming. They're afraid of coming out and show the world what they are or who they are. What can you tell them?
Go for it. Just do it. There's, you know, you've got a lot to gain and not very much to lose. So just...
But we hear that without money you cannot do music. How would you...
It is tricky without that, and especially when I was starting out, I didn't really have a lot of money myself to invest, and so sometimes it's good to find people to invest in your talent, but you have to be careful of that because some people want to take advantage of your talent and mistreat your work for money and such. Yeah, do it. Keep writing songs, keep singing, and learn how to do a few different things. Learn how to produce, learn how to use the software to record. Learn a few different things so that you're not just good at only one thing. So,
okay.
You know.
So Nicholas, I send greetings to you. Thank you for being a friend to Daniel. Really thank you for loving one another. it is really very good. We just people from different country, and as well, though we're different color, that doesn't mean that we're different people, or we're created by different God. We're all sharing the same God.
Absolutely.
So which origin are you? Religious?
My origin?
Yeah.
Born in Australia, but my mother is from Italy, and my father is from Chile in South America.
Okay, so that's so great. And then you're religious?
Born in Australia, yeah.
Religious as in, which way do you worship God? Through which way do you worship God? Are you Christian?
Oh, sorry, I thought you were asking my origin, as in my, sorry, I almost went and told the whole life story there. Yeah, no, definitely I'm a believer, and there's certainly a God up there looking out for us, and I think it's our duty to worship Him and honor Him.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, dear friends, I didn't come for an interview. I didn't come for something else, like, you know, having vibe with my friend. We different here. I mean, we many here. We're not only two. I came to just have a vibe, and I want to learn this one here. So that's why we decided to have just a simple interview with him. He's a nice guy. Do you have any social media platform?
Yeah, you can Instagram Daniel Aranda Official is my Instagram. Daniel Aranda Music, Facebook, YouTube, whatever, Spotify, iTunes, all that stuff.
Okay. So, dear friends, I think we should end here. Thank you so much.
A pleasure.
We really appreciate. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. So, my friends, please go ahead and follow him. He said the names already. Yeah, get to know more about his songs, more.
Olowooza ku mugaati ogw'omulembe era omuwoomu ddala, lowooza ku Baker's Choice Bread okukolebwa banno ba Baker's Choice Bakery. Bano bakola ne cakes eza buli kika omuli ez'amazaalibwa, keeki z'embaga, keeki z'okwanjula, baby shower cakes, graduation cakes, donati mu bika eby'enjawulo, burger bread, loaf bread, amandaazi, beddies n'ebintu ebirala bingi. Kubako noti 7 noti 3 9 emunya 724 oba noti 7 noti 8 234 mukaga emu 9 oba plus 9 emu 589 9 mukaga emu 826. Baker's Choice Bakery. Taste the Baker's Choice.
Mugamba mutya baganda bange, kansubire buli muntu ali bulungi. Visa change kye kizibu ky'olina, oli mu Dubai, oli Abu Dhabi, oli Sharjah. Gwe wenna ali eyo ng'onoonya visa, onoonya ya bbanga ki, onoonya nnaku mmeka, nnaku 3, mwezi gumu, gwentegeeza bwe ngamba ennaku 3 oba emyezi 3. Ansa eri emu yokka ye Speed Express Tours and Travel. Oyagala kulambula, oyagala kujja Dubai, kumanya biki ebifa mu Dubai, oba mwana wa somero wali yagadde okujja okulambula ku Dubai. Ansa ye Speed Express Tours and Travel. Tugenda kulambuza Dubai yonna gy'oyagala okumanya. Tugenda kufunira visa, tugenda kuwa air ticket, tugenda kuyambako okufuna hotel w'onaasula. Okumanya ebisingawo osobola ogenda ku website yaffe n'otunoonyaako Speed Express Tours and Travel. Yeffe ffekka abaavaayo okusalawo oba wa visa entuufu oba wa air ticket wamu n'okufunira hotels, okulambuza Dubai, okunoonya ku kisaawe, okunoonyeza w'onaasula n'owummula bulungi. Gwe oli musuubuzi onoonya visa okoye okukubba. Ansa eriemu Speed Express Tours and Travel. Jangu olunaku olwaleero tukyalireko ku ofiisi zaffe. Tulina ofiisi e Uganda, Abu Dhabi, e Dubai tusangibwa wano ku Daira Tower, 2nd floor, room number 202. Jangu otwebuuzeeko kyonna ky'oyagala okumanya. Omwana ali eyo oyagala kumanya nti visa yange yaggwako, nina overstay, oba oli eyo mu katanda okooye okulimba ababbi bangi ku street. Bambi temulimbibwa. Speed Express Tours and Travel wetuli okubanga tubeerawo nammwe. Dream, explore and discover.
Abasizako nnyo basebo ne bannyabo amanya gange era nga bulijjo nze Zainabu nga ndi ne mukyala wa Nyondo Media era nga mukyala wa Nyondo Dream. Yes, mbebaza okubeera nga mu supportinze bumuwagidde. Yes, era nga nkwebaza bambi olw'omulimu omulungi gw'okola. Yes, shows nziraba mukwana era ngoberera ebintu byo era nga bambi njagala tugwe nga tukwatira wamu kulanga nkusupportinga era ngenda kutwalako wano package yange nange nyongere okubaako kyenkola ki skin yange eno kubanga ekaluba njagala nga ongambye bikimu okimbulidde nti kiriya okitegedde era nakuwako ne mukwano gwange ngamba nti alaba wenjawulo. Yes, bane bana Uganda bannange muwagirengako bane bana Uganda bannamwe. Yes, mubawagire bambi. Takuwagire.
Yakukalya maziga. Mami mumpagire baswiti.
Yes, bambi.
Products zaffe teziri fake.
Yes, ayina ebintu ebyenjawulo bingi nnyo abakyala bane ensonga ziri nga muzitegedde kiriya. Oyagala kugira kwongerako ki byonna. Okitegedde munnange.
Ngaza yabagambye
ensonga ezo. Bannange naye nga kiriya bambi mwebale kumuwagira.
Ate bagamba endabika y'omukyala
kye kitiibwa kye.
Bwenyira okole ki osirike.
Balina ebintu bingi bambi wano mugezeko okuba supportinga nange ngenda kubaako byentwala ebyenjawulo olw'okuba supportinga okubawagira. Yes, balina ebintu byanjawulo wano bakola makeup, money power, simanyi bano bakazi kugira kwongerako byonna ebiviiri balina ebyokwekolako by'abakyala byonna bambi mwebale kubawagira bambi era nga mutulaba
abana bandaze omukwano abana banjagadde ngenda Abu Dhabi ngenda Rasul
Khaimah delivery
byonna mbikono yona ntuka
ekyoza nti omuntu aba ayagala akuba essimu n'akuwa location nga muteseganyiza buli kimu nobeera nga obimutwalira waali. Amiina. Abaana bali mu biyumba banemwerabire mwefeeko
bakyasiza okunjagala abana bali bali basweet nange mbaagala
yanzanyo tweyanze
so much abana bali Fujairah bali Abu Dhabi bali Alaini Amlukwini uyo simanyani abana bangi ne bambi mupande support
ngena twako nange package yange supporting ekintu kino.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Tweyanziza nnyo tweyanzige. Enamba yo ojajiba bambi benga bakola order.
Kweri?
Yes.
+971 52 468 077.
Babale kutuberera bambi. Babale kutukyazako neyanzo okunkyazako. Bannaye musharinge nga bu video wabakoze. Babale kuyambako bana Uganda.
Amina.
Babale kuddukirira mulanga. Awamu ne mama Dubai bambi yebale nnyo bali ddala. Babale nnyo mukwano. Kale nsigadde nze Zainabu. I sign out.
I also sign out. Ate mukabanga wa signing out nze signing out. Wiki.
The media is in Dubai. Nebuna mawanga gonna walai. Edukiridde bana Uganda batalina mwasirizi. Hey, Nyondo Media tuliwa munawe. Nyondo Media tuliwa munawe. Nyondo Media eliwa munawe. Nyondo Media. Nyondo Media is in Dubai. Nebuna mawanga gonna walai. Edukiridde bana Uganda batalina mwasirizi. Nyondo Media tuliwa munawe. Nyondo Media tuliwa munawe.